Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight into how to use and configure Slack's channel categories. This is an essential skill to keep your workspace organized and efficient. First off, let's create a new channel category. Head over to the Slack sidebar. Click on More, then Manage Channels. Now click on Create Category. Enter a name for your category and hit Create. This step is critical as it allows you to categorize your channels based on their purpose or theme, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding channels to your category. Under the Channels section, click on Add Channels. Select the channels you want to add and then click Add. This helps us because by grouping related channels, we streamline our navigation and improve our productivity. Next up, let's rearrange the order of your categories. Simply click and hold on the category name, then drag it to your desired position. The reason we do this is to prioritize our categories based on their importance or frequency of use. Now, if you want to rename or delete a category, go back to Manage Channels, then Edit next to the category name. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack allows us to modify our categories to adapt to our changing needs, ensuring our workspace remains organized. Finally, it's important to understand that only workspace owners and admins can create, edit, or delete categories. So if you're not seeing these options, it's likely you don't have the necessary permissions. And there you have it. You now know how to use and configure Slack's channel categories. Remember, a well-organized workspace can significantly boost your productivity. Until next time, happy slacking.